beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I package my robo, which some people call it kulikuli alata. So this is my robo alata. From my own side we call it robo alata. So I want to show you how I package my things. If you have interest in this our robo, contact our WhatsApp number. It's crunchy. You can use this to drink gari, akamu. So I want to go and get more rubber. So this is robo kulikuli alata. It's nice, perfect. So this is locust beans. This is order. This is one of our viewers that ordered for this all this one. So this is akamu, fermented corn powder. Gari, you can use this to prepare eba or drink it. Dankwa, this is panla fish, dry panla fish. Stockfish. small crayfish. So this is big crayfish. So here is the grounded egusi blended with crayfish and pepper. So this is oha leaf, dry oha, scent leaf, efirin, dry scent leaf, basil leaf. So thank you very much for watching. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So this is dry catfish. Dry catfish. Everything is ready to send. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So this crayfish set. Thank you for watching. Bye.